Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name's Jen, and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. I just thought it would be fun to like hang out and unbox some stuff with you guys. I did a little shopping, kind of for Halloween stuff, but I also got like some tools and some other fun stuff to play with. So buckle up and let's just see what I got. I'm gonna start with Temu because this is like the new hot website that everyone is shopping on, and I know I'm late to the bandwagon, but I went on there and just did a little bit of like nail shopping. So I'm just gonna like pull stuff out of here and we'll look at it. So the first thing that I got was this little holder for your nail bits, as well as it has like a cleaner on the other, whoops, let me get the base out. It also has like a cleaner on the other side, and you can like separate this from it for like, you know, better sterilization and that kind of stuff. So what you do is you would take your like drill bit and stick it in here on, and it would clean all of like the gunk and stuff out of it, and then you could go on to like sanitizing your bits as well. The organizer I have now is like really big, and I thought this would be just nice, compact, and I liked the cleaner on the side of it. And then the next thing I got were some of these silicone tools, and you'll see later on why I bought these. I got a product that I'm gonna like need these, and I used to have like a whole bunch of them, and I guess I just threw them out or gave them away because I was like, I'm not really using them and they're just kind of taking up space. So I just went ahead and bought one of these little kits. All this stuff was like so inexpensive. I'll try to like put the prices up as I go, or just show you like my receipt at the end so you can kind of see how inexpensive this stuff was. But yeah, so I got those guys. Then I got this black lace nail foil. Now I have white lace, but I thought, how beautiful would like black lace nails be? I'll try to show you this on my hand. I know it's gonna be like kind of difficult to see, but they're all different designs, and I just thought this would be like such a like really sexy nail look with black lace. I don't know, it's a vision that I have in my head, and I feel like it would be really cute. Not cute, like sexy, sassy, like badass black lace on like stiletto nails with like maybe red bottoms, like red underneath that. I think that'd be really, really nice. So, all right, let's put that to the side. Next, oh, I got a bunch of magnet tools. So this one makes like flowers, and then this one I think you can like drag and it makes lines. And then you've got like your basic one that you get with like any like cat eye polish. And then I thought this was together, and then I realized it was two different magnets. So I'm not really sure like what the difference is between the two. I think you can use them together, but yeah, I mean, I feel like I can't have enough of those. And then let's see. Oh, okay. Let me show the tools before I get into like the Halloween stuff. So let me just put this stuff over here. It's like I really didn't get a lot, but it seemed like a lot at the time. So I got some new cuticle pushers and just like cuticle cleaners. Let's see if I can get them out of the plastic. I hate all the plastic. It drives me insane. But they all have like the same end here. And I do like that they have like the protective plastic on the end. So that's nice. I got two cuticle pushers, and then this one is for like removing gel. If you didn't know that, that's what that is for when you're taking your nails off. It's pretty good for that. And then I got some varying dotting tools because I don't know what I did with all of my dotting tools. I either gave them away or threw them away, or just don't know where I have hidden them. I mean, I have a drawer where I put all my excess stuff. Like I put all of like my little lint wipes and my buffers and that kind of stuff. You know, all of the extras are in the bottom there, but I don't know. So anyways, these are all different size dotting tools, from like teeny tiny to like, you know, this size. So thought those would be nice. Again, they were like so cheap. Okay, then I found some reindeer. I didn't realize I was only getting like 3 of them in this little package, but they're just gold reindeer, and they have like little stones as their antlers, which I thought was adorable. And then I found these little crescent moons. Again, I thought I was getting more than just like 1 or 2 of them, which kind of explains why they're so cheap. But these are so pretty. Oh, let me get the dangly part so you can, come on, man. Like, oh, I think they're both gold, so I don't know, but they're like pretty little crescent moons. Let me see if you can get on that, you know, really zoom in there and see. So those are gorgeous. Then I saw these Scream stickers. I didn't know that I bought this. I thought I just put this in my cart so I could like duplicate the nail look that was on here, but I guess I ended up buying them anyway. So we've got ghost face over here, you've got like a smile like French line, and then these are just like spider webs and patchwork that I just recently did, and some drips and stuff, so that's cute. Stickers. And then let's see what's next. Oh yes, so I got a few different stamping plates. They're not all Halloween. So this one is actually for Easter. They had a ton of stamping plates actually, so I didn't want to get a bunch of them because I have bought like cheap stamping plates before and they were pretty bad, and also the edge is so sharp. I ended up either giving away the ones I had before that I think I got on Amazon, or maybe Shein, because I ended up cutting myself really bad with them, and I think I was like, the hell with this, I'm never touching these things again. You know what I mean? But let me see. Okay, so this one is for Christmas. Let me get it so there's no glare. So I got a little Christmas one, I got a Valentine's one, and then I got an Easter one. I didn't get a Halloween one? I guess not. I have plenty of Halloween stuff, so don't you worry. And then I got some more stickers here. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, because these ones glow in the dark. That's why I got these ones. Because I'm looking at them now and I'm like, this isn't something that I would ever use. But I think just because they had glow in the dark pieces on them. So yeah, we got like some psychedelic, like ghost face, some aliens, and all the clear stuff that you like can't see, all that glows in the dark, and I think it just looks like slime, to be honest with you, and like drippy like ghost faces. Very strange. We got some flames here, and again, this looks like potion that's like boiling over. And then this is like moons and stuff. So very interesting. I don't know where I was like going with these stickers. I don't know what. I don't think I knew I ordered these because like some of the stickers, they just have like a ton that you can like choose from in like the bottom bar. And it's kind of confusing, to be honest with you. Then I found these cute little bows. I'm hoping that this is covered, and when I take this out, they're all like, I just want to make sure they're okay. There is like a plastic thing over the top of these. Oh my god, they're wrapped in like another wrapper. But they're all different designs of bows, and you've got gold and silver. These are actually really, really darling, and I think this one right here particularly would be beautiful for like Christmas, like ornament design. So I'm really excited about those. That's a win. Okay, then I got a ton. When I tell you a ton of nail foils, I was not expecting. So this was its own separate one. This was Christmas, right? When I tell you, I was just expecting to get one like single row of nail foils, and they give you so many in here. It's insane. Like there's just so many different patterns to choose from, and these are all Christmas ones, and they're so stinking cute. Like these are absolutely gorgeous, and I love that everything is like kind of spaced out, so if you just want like one little thing, then you can use it for that. Like these ones are awesome, I gotta tell you, and I'm glad that they're all clear. So like for instance, this has like snowmen on it, so like if I just wanted to like, I think there's one stuck, if I just wanted to like grab this snowman right there and just pop him on a nail, like I could easily do that. So these ones are really awesome. I hope they work. Like I hope they transfer well, because sometimes with like cheap foils it can be hit or miss. Like you never know. But again, these were like $1, so it's like, how, like I can't beat that price. Okay, and then this whole thing, all of these were together. Again, I was expecting to get like, you know, 4 or 5 foils based on the picture. It did not show this many. So with the 4 or 5 that you got, each one is like a pack of like 10 foils in there. That's insane. Like I was not expecting that. Like go Temu. Now I do have a code for Temu. Don't know why I didn't say that when I first when I first opened this package. But yeah, like these are freaking sick. sick looking. Like, these are so cool. And I mean, you just take whatever you want out of there. You can put it right on the nail. You can use the whole thing. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, there's so many more in here. I'm not gonna like bore you guys anymore with the foils, but I was just really surprised at how many I got when I opened this up. I was only expecting to get 5 foils, not 5 like packages of 10 foils. That's crazy. That's crazy. But again, I do have a code for Temu. It's like a really wacky code, so I'll have it down below. It's not like an easy, like, you know, LBN gen or something like that. So I gotta see if I can like change it to something easy for you guys. But you can save 15% on Temu. If you use my code, I'll have the link down below. And let's move on to the next package, shall we? The next one was from Maniology, and I was on their website specifically for Halloween stamping plates. So this is the first one that I got, and it's mostly just like pumpkins and stuff. I thought it was really cute. I loved these like full nail backgrounds that you could do, and then the little mummy, and then they had like the pumpkin faces. So I thought that was awesome. And then this was the other one, and this one has like spooky characters, and it has like all your favorite like horror movie villains over here, which I thought could be like a fun nail. Again, like nice full background pieces that you can utilize for the whole nail or just like a section of. So I thought these were really cute and fun. And then as I was checking out, they had this thing where it was like 5 random nail plates for like $18 or something like that. And I was like, heck yeah, sign me up. And so I added that to my cart, and sure enough, I got like some random nail plates. This one is just pandas. It's just filled with pandas doing their thing, which I thought was so cute because I think panda bears are like the most hilarious animal in the entire world. I'm pretty sure they're pandas anyways. I mean, over here they're like full-on bears. So yeah, if you've ever seen those videos of like the people trying to like wrangle them out of like their pen and stuff, oh my god, they're adorable. Okay, next, I'm trying to like be quick. I don't want you guys being here all night. This one is just flowers. They're all upside down for some reason. We just got some flowers here. Nothing crazy, but could be beautiful as a background type of thing. This one is for New Year's, which I thought was awesome. I'll totally be using that this year, especially for the numbers, for sure. So that was great. And then it's like one for like every holiday, basically. I'm set right now. I got a Valentine's like heart one, which if you all know my struggle with hearts, then this is perfect for me. So this one is great. And then one that I thought was so cool, because both my guys play soccer, so does my husband. I got a soccer plate. I thought that was pretty awesome. It's got the World Cup over here. So I thought this one was pretty cool that I happened to get like a soccer plate, you know. So that was fun. All right, moving on. The next thing I got was from Savvyland, and I saw Long Hair Pretty Nails playing with these on her channel, and I really wanted some, and it was these putties. I got these on Amazon, like I said. I'll pop a picture up of what I purchased them for at the time. Prices always change, especially on these sort of websites that like I buy from, like Amazon, even Temu. They always have like sales going on and prices differentiate. So I hate like telling you what I paid for it, because it could be like totally different when I post this video. But anyway, so they're kind of like non-sticky gel. They call this Carve pattern gel. I don't want to touch it with my hands. You're not really supposed to touch this stuff with your hands. So I'm just going to get this orange wood stick over here. You can basically like form this into any shape that you want. It's soft, almost like Play-Doh. It's almost got like the texture of Play-Doh, and you create like 3D designs with it. You can make flowers with it. She made Care Bears with hers, like on her nails. Yeah, like you can use this stuff for anything. And I thought it would be good for me, since I don't really work with acrylic. I thought this would be like a fun medium to be able to create like 3D items on my nails when I want to. So yeah, let me see if they have a picture of like what. Yeah, so on here it's just, they show like the flower designs, you know, like with like 5 or 4 petals with just like the simple line in the middle. So I mean, there's that, but then I've seen people go like above and beyond with like their 3D like creations. Nails by Dev is one that also has this, but this was only, now I'm gonna tell you what I paid. At the time, I think it was only like 20 bucks when I bought this one. And there were a lot of like no-name brands on Amazon, but I felt safe going with Savvyland just because it's a brand I've worked with. I know their stuff. I'm not 100% sure if I have a discount code with them or not, because I've only worked with them like 1 or 2 times, but if I do, it'll be down below. Ugh. All right, well, that is it for the end of this week's video. I had so much fun doing this unboxing. I love watching them, so I hope you guys had fun too, and maybe got some idea for some things to use for Halloween or even the upcoming holidays. But let me just tell you, dude, Temu, honey. I think I got like the majority of the stuff from them, and I was pleasantly surprised with what I got. I'm definitely gonna go on there and do a bit more shopping. I did do like a little clothing shopping earlier, and like when it started to get cold here in New York. I just did one from somewhere else. But if you guys would be interested in like a clothing haul video from, you know, Temu type stores, wink wink, just let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys found some stuff, and hopefully you will use my links down below. I think I have one for like every store here, so everything will be down below, and you guys can save yourself some money, honey, when you go shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, before you leave, to subscribe, give this video a big ol' thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.